In the world of business, Charlie Munger stands as a beacon of wisdom and clarity. With a sharp mind honed by decades of experience, he effortlessly shatters the illusions spun by fake gurus. Imagine this, a guru draped in flashy clothes promising you unimaginable wealth with just a few quick steps. Sounds tempting, right? But Munger warns us to be wary. He says, "The world is not a lottery where you can get rich quick. It's a complex, interconnected ecosystem that rewards patience, diligence, and wisdom." Munger's advice? Learn the ropes, understand the fundamentals, and be patient. Wealth is a byproduct of these, not an end in itself. So when a guru promises instant success, remember Munger's words, "Easy paths to wealth, they're usually mirages." In a world where quick fixes and shortcuts are often glorified, Munger's wisdom serves as a timely reminder. Success is not a destination, but a journey. It's not about getting rich quick, but about building wealth gradually over time. So, next time you encounter a guru promising a fast track to wealth, remember Charlie Munger. Remember his wisdom and his advice. Remember, it's not about the destination, but the journey.